Hey, Steve here with RV Site to Site. Appreciate you tuning in today. Got a little water pump problem. Gonna see if we can fix it. Give us this. Okay, to access the water pump, opened up this panel right here. There's about 1, 2, 3, 4 screws holding that. And then when I got in here to look, I noticed this right here was laying down in the little hole down there. And so on further inspection, I see that on the other side of the water pump, you see that strainer is busted off back there. I don't know how that happened. I want to check and see how I can fix that. Very, very cram-packed in there with all the hoses and everything. And I'm a big guy, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to reach back in there. Okay, I went to the RV dealer and got me a new strainer basket, and we'll see if it works. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I have the new strainer basket on there. And so we're going to turn it on and see if it works. Okay, pump is running and I don't see any leaks. So far it's good. It's filling up my hot water heater right now, or the water heater. Somebody told me that you don't have to heat up hot water. And I think it's a little picky. So anyway, building up pressure hopefully. And again, I don't see any leak. All right, let's give her a little test. Okay, that works. And that works. So far, so good. And we'll let you know in the future if we have any leaks. Give us the video a thumbs up, please, and subscribe if you would. Thanks a lot, and have a wonderful day. Let it go.